Hello everyone, welcome to Joseph IT. Today I'm going to show you how to turn all the websites black in Google Chrome easily. Okay, just by doing a simple task, all the websites will be in dark mode. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to my Google Chrome, and here for demonstration purpose, I have opened two websites. You can see these are white in some parts, and this paper is also white. So I'm just going to show whether it works or not after turning it to black. So simply open a new tab, and here I'm just going to paste a code which is read as Chrome flags enable force dark. Okay, it will be on the description too. Simply copy from there and paste, and then simply press enter. It will take you to experiments and will automatically appear. Okay, as you can see, force dark mode for web contents. Okay, go there, under default simply click on enabled. It's enabling and it's asking you to relaunch. Simply click on relaunch, and it will reopen all the websites you had at the time of opened. Okay, now it is being loaded. I'm going back to Omicron and PayPal as well, and it's being loaded. Just wait for a while. Okay, as you can see, it is mostly black in almost all the parts. Okay, mostly black. And if I go to PayPal, and it is black too. It is almost black in all the sectors, in all the parts of this website. Okay, and now this will work in all the websites at its best. Okay, so again, what you have to do, you just have to go to a new tab, then have to type it and enter, and this will take you to the page of experiments, this one, and then you have to go to the right side and enabled or disabled or default. Okay, so I always choose default. If you want, you can turn it on and also can disable it, but default is the best one. Okay, and by doing so, you can simply choose your browser to show the websites in black mode or not easily. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you did so, then please hit the like button, share experience and suggestions, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. If you have any question, any query, then feel free to knock us on the comment box and we will try our best to help you. Please be with us and subscribe. Goodbye.